In this video, I'm going to show you how to change shipping rates on Shopify, whether you want to offer free shipping, flat rates, or adjust by weight or price. I'll walk you through it step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin and click Settings in the bottom left corner. From there, click on Shipping and Delivery. Here, under the shipping section, you'll see all your shipping profiles. Click Manage next to your general shipping rates or whichever profile you want to change. Inside your profile, you'll see different shipping zones like domestic or international. To change your rate, just click on Edit Rate next to the existing one, or click on Add Rate to create a new option. You can choose or set up your own rates, whether you enter a flat fee or use carrier calculated rates if you have real-time shipping enabled with UPS or USPS or FedEx. You can also add conditions to your shipping rates based on order price or weight. For example, you might offer free shipping on orders over $50 or charge more for heavier items. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like.